folders. So we go to the file section and we right click and then select on the create new folder. Let's call this folder interview and we click OK. If we had data in other formats such as video, we could right click, create new folder and call this folder videos. And also if we had a different type of data such as audio, we could create another new folder by right clicking on the file section and call these audios. So we would put the audios in the audios folder, the interview transcripts in the interview folder, and the videos in the videos folder. For this example that I am doing about the flu vaccine, I only have interview transcripts. So let's import the interview transcripts for this example. What I'll do is I'll go to this folder. This is the folder that has the transcripts that I want to code. I'm going to click on the first and the second participants, then drag and drop the transcripts in the interview section. And we have participant 1 and participant 2. So that's how you import interview transcripts into NVivo. Simply go to the folder where you have them, drag and drop. Again, I placed them on the interview folder in the data section. The next step in analyzing qualitative data using NVivo is the process we call familiarization. I will simply double click on either of my interview transcripts and read through each one of them to familiarize myself with the information in such interviews.